Alright, what's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be having a small mukbang. You can tell I'm super skinny. Feel me? Feel me? Alright, I got more in my pocket belly right now. I'll move on to the next after. But first we got these. First we got. Hold up. Actually, you guys can watch me set up my kitchen. I just need a quick snack. Mala, don't eat off this table too, okay? Because I'm still doing a mukbang, you feel me? Alright, yeah. I'll make this a quick one if you guys don't want to wait, so yeah. More under my belly? No. Yo, good track. Alright, if you guys don't mind me talking, I'm just watching. Guys, just mukbangs busting. Comment down below what I should next, because like I really love this mukbang stuff. Because I'm so healthy, but bro, guys. Bro, I asked for a salad. I asked for everything salad. They didn't give me my salad. So I'm just eating this because, you know, you can't waste food because, like, bro, some people don't even have food. So you gotta eat the food that you have. Don't waste anything. But, like, veggies, I don't do veggies. I'm allergic to all veggies. Like, I don't know. I don't even know if I can eat that chicken right there with that veggies. But chicken is chicken. Alright, this is gonna be my first time trying it. This has veggies on it, so hopefully I don't die. Wait a mama, the gang. Ooh, not that better. Oh, just the veggies, man. Yo, y'all know, like, veggies don't make my tummy feel so good, man. Yo, I better, yo. Bro, nah. Veggies don't make my, yo. Bro, nah, bro. Veggies don't make my, yo. Veggies don't make me feel too good, man. Yo. Oh my god! Ow! Oh my god, how am I? Bro, how am I for talking, man? These headphones ain't doing anything for me, man. You could have put the chair up more, bro. You feel me? Eating more chicken will make me healthier. And guys, if you wonder why I'm not trying to sauce, no, I can't clean my table. It's literally because, bro, they have veggies in it, bro. Y'all saw what happened when I ate veggies, right? It was crazy. Yeah, but yeah, this is just a little mukbang today. If you guys want me to do more mukbangs, I'll do more. But yeah, I really do like doing mukbangs. But next time I'll do a salad mukbang. Cause like, why not? Yeah, but yeah, and yeah. I eat my food really slow, so yeah. And guys, I'm just really quiet because I'm locked in. Oh, ranch. Bro, ranch is actually like too good. Yeah, but I really love chicken. One of my favorite dishes ever. And guys, I couldn't get the crab. Cause bro, it costs so much money. But yeah. Let me just get these bigger tacos right here. It's fire. These are fire. Yeah, these are fire right here.
Oh, I need a charger.
Alright, yeah, I'm gonna be leaving, but, yeah, guys, tell me what I should do next, cause, like, I don't even know what I should do, cause, like, I don't even know what I should do right now, bro. Alright, I'm gonna leave the store. You're so fat! Yo, what? What do you mean? I'm skinnier than you. Shut up. You're so fat. Get out of here. I need to go change my diet. She's going to regret saying. Now let me put some weight on you. This is day 50 in the gym. They will find out. Day 101. I'm stronger now. Oh my god! How are you doing? Remember me? I'm the guy who you're the one who called me fat. Look at me now. Who's the fat one now? Don't punch me, don't punch me. Yeah. Time to leave this mukbang place alone.